Thanks for joining us today. The video you're about to watch was recorded during our 2-day metallic epoxy training. If you're interested in becoming a Leggari certified installer, see the description below for more information. Enjoy the video.
So I usually just get some on the roller, roll it down the middle, and then I just cross roll it out. Whatever base coat color you pick, that's usually the color of primer you're gonna get, or a similar color to it. Like if you do silver base coat, you're gonna get a gray primer. Once I get it mixed up, I'll pull the paint stick out and let it drip off for a minute, and then turn it flat. And if it covers the paint stick and I can't see the paint stick, I got enough pigment in there, you know? That's really the easiest way to make sure you got enough pigment instead of trying to like figure out the exact measurement on everything, you know? One way to spread this out is just cross roll it like this. So what I do is I get the top all done, and then I work on my backsplash and the front edge. Because I want to make sure I got a good even coat everywhere before I start throwing it on the backsplash and dripping it off the front edge. backsplash. Come over here. Get a bead so it covers that edge. See how it's going up that wall there? I like to run a bead like that. That way I don't have to try to like get in there. And it just coats it real fast. And you'll just pull it back away. Having a light base like this and you add too much highlights, it can really ruin a counter. So I'll do this half like it should be, and then this half I'll add too much highlights, and you'll see how it turns out. Right, see how I'm keeping them far apart? I'm not doing one here and there, keeping them really close. And then on this one, I'm gonna do bigger veins, more product. See, like, it looks great right now, right? But this counter is gonna be basically like almost all coffee. And then we'll come over here. I mean, it didn't look much different. Obviously these are wider, but I'm gonna start swirling this same way. There's so much highlight color out there that it just overpowers that white.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button so you're notified when we post new videos. We have a lot of new projects and content coming out this year. We hope you enjoyed. Check out the description below for more information, and we'll see you next time.